What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ash Loving Life, and in this week's video I'm going to show you how to change your tail light. That's right, if you drive a Dodge Charger from the year 2006 through 2010, this is the video for you. So let's get into it. It's easy, it's quick, and it's simple. So here are the bulbs that I'll be using. You will also need a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife. And that is it. Okay, so here I am going through the trunk of my car. And here I am twisting this knob off. Now it should be 3 of these knobs. Here's the first one. Okay, and here I am pulling the fabric back, exposing my other knobs. Okay, so here we have 2 more, one right there, and then I have one right here. Now somehow that one has already been taken off, so perfect, I don't have to worry about that one. Now I am twisting the one at the top off. Very easy to do, no equipment needed. Okay, now you have to remove this last piece, which was kind of tricky, you guys. This is where I use the butter knife or the flat hand screwdriver, and you basically want to press that red thing all the way to the other side, and then you should be able to squeeze it and pull it right on out. Okay, so now we're going to go around to the outside of the car, and we're going to remove our tail light. Very easy. Now you want to be careful because you don't want to drop it like I almost did. Okay, so now we're here and we're going to twist those little knobs to get our light bulb out. As you can see, that is our light bulb. Here's a different angle, you guys. So I had trouble. So I read the directions on the knob and it told me which way to turn to open. Now here's my light. My light was actually out, my right blinker. So this was a perfect video for me to do. And I did have trouble pulling it out, but once I figured it out, it was very simple. You just got to give it a really hard pull when you pull it out. Okay, so now it's time to put the new one in. As you see, I'm opening it up. And I'm sticking it right back in that same slot. Okay, and you want to make sure it's in tight. And also, guys, before you actually put your light in, you want to go ahead and check to make sure the bulb is working. Before you even get to this part, you want to make sure that it's working by turning on your lights. And you're going to see me do that before I finish out completely. Okay, this is when I realized, oh, let me check. And okay, you see it's blinking. That means it's working. Okay, so now I can officially put it back in. You just have to make sure you put the screws back in the same holes. And that is what I was having trouble with, was trying to get those screws back in the same hole. But once I got it, your girl was good. Then you want to come back around and you want to connect that piece back. Boom, just like that. And you want to put your little knobs back on, just like that. And that's it, you guys. That is it. I have changed my tail light, and you can too. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.